So you guys, hello, I'm back again. So we will do an unboxing again right now. So another stuff to be unboxed, guys. This is Easy Adventure again. So if you're new to this channel, guys, please subscribe and don't forget to like and hit the notification bell so you will be updated in my next video or my latest video. So ayan, next box that we are going to unbox. So as I mentioned in my previous video, guys, that already unboxed, we purchased something that we are needing for travel soon. Since we are having a big travel, we are planning to have this one will be one that we had since before, which is only 2 to 3 weeks travel like that, but this one would be 5 weeks, but I'm not gonna tell you where. It's for you to find out soon, mga labs. So here we go. So this one is the Dji Mini 2. So this one is our one of our travel that we are going to use for my vlog. So we have already the drone, we have already the GoPro, and then I have my camera. In case my camera is not working, I have the GoPro with me in case we are going to the water. And for now, for us or for me to take a video, a view, for me to do that, so I will have a nice video to share it with you guys, and also to the place where we are going. Okay, let's proceed. Actually, this one, guys, is 249 grams weight. So the weight of this is 249. You know what is important with the weight of a drone? Since if you're traveling, there are certain countries that they have restrictions for a bigger drone, so you cannot have or carry your drone with you without license. So the allowed one was, according to my research, the allowed one was 249 grams without license. But I also read another article that there are some countries also that have a trouble, but so far in the country where we are going soon, there's no restriction for this weight. So this is no license for us to have to bring. So this is safe, guys. So now let's open it up. So ito yun siya. When you open the carton, there is a case. Of course, the bag that you can also bring with you, and all the. So I'm gonna show it to you. This is how you arrange your drone in the bag. So it's like a compartment bag for a drone. So this one is the drone thingy. Guys, how to fly since we're inside the house, and this is the camera. So you guys, I am going to show you how to do it, since I realize it's just easy. So you can have just do like this, and then the other one like this. So ayan, so this one, guys, is the drone. This is the mini one, the Dji Mini 2 drone. So, and this is the camera on it. And right now I'm going to show it to you the controller. So this one, you can just put your phone here, and inside of it, there is a charger or a wire, a cord where you can control. You put it in your, it's either iOS or Android. So ayan, so you can also, the controller, you can do you can turn it on here. See, you see the green one thingy, and then you can control it. So yan, guys, it's already inside. Ayan, so it's safe now. And these are the accessories for the drone. So I'm not gonna open it, guys, but let's see. So the extra battery and the charger of the battery, and also the charger and the cord. So, ayan guys, tapos na tayong mag-unbox. Finally, natapos din yung pag-unbox natin. Hindi ko na siya itatry. I will make a video guys once we're outside. Itatry namin. Kasi hindi pa namin natatry siya since umuulan kasi dito. So, I'm not sure if it's waterproof. But if maganda yung panahon, we will go outside and I'll take a video for you to see how does it work. Yeah, so, ayun lang. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, mga loves. Ayan. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you. Bye for now. Bye.